So we're excited. It's our first day installing our brand new product, the Last Inventory World Collection Denmark SPC 100% waterproof. Never installed before, so this is our first installation with our very own product. All right, let's take a look.
You know, nothing means more to us than our children, and that's why we chose the Last Inventory. Just look at this floor. Everything that we've gotten lately, we use only from them. We have rental houses, all of our children's homes, our own homes. I can't wait to redo my house with my poor husband. Thank you so much. Mwah.
I highly recommend Last Inventory World Collection vinyl flooring.